fortunately, from what I understand, you know, it is contagious, but the death rate is pretty low. So, yeah, I understand the fear.
Yeah, well, we can see you still have a cough. What do the doctors say about your own condition moving forward as we wrap this up?
Excuse me. Let me get some of that. They said, yeah, I'm fine. I got tested twice, negative both times. The cough, probably just nerves.
Yeah, being on TV.
Fair enough.
Frank and Annabelle, we are very happy to see that you're both doing well and in good spirits. Please give your daughter our best. We know she can't hear us directly, but it's wonderful to check in with your family again.
Thank you, Annabelle. Thank you, Frank.
Can I just add that I've started a GoFundMe page to help pay for some of the medical bills.
Sure.
And
they can find it through your name.
If anybody.
And we've got your name, your name
I
on
gave
the
it.
screen.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Our best to you and your family, Frank. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.
Be well.